Well, my live just failed, so let's do this again. I'm out here walking today. Good morning, everybody. Greendale or Franklin, Wisconsin. And everything is that depressing muddy brown before the spring comes alive. But the temperature's so nice, I decided to take me a little walk. And am I the only one that showers and washes your hair before you walk? So you smell all nice in the forest? And then come home and shower again? I might be a cleanliness freak, who knows. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. Sunny. I've got shorts on. Busting them out. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. So when I look at mixed hardwood forests, for good morel spots, I like the edges where it's younger, where you see a lot of dead and dying trees. There's a little group of black cherries here. There's some ash back there, elm, oak too. But, the morels like these trees. And come warmer temperatures, we might get some action here. Definitely gotta know your forest types. This little park reminds me of Kettle Rainforest. It has lots of little droopy hills. Good place for water collection, lots of hardwoods. It's really good for mushrooms. So when I'm scanning these young forest edges, what I'm looking for are newly dead elm trees that don't have buds or haven't budded out yet, like all the other elm trees showing they're struggling. Here's one guy. And I can see buds, but he's not flowering, and he should be by now. He should be. Here's another one right here. There's a little group of them. These all here, these little skinny ones. Oh yeah, they're all in deceased mode. This guy for sure. So that's what I'm doing when I'm walking in the woods in early spring. I'm tree spotting, and it refreshes your memory, gets you ready. Look here, this boy's peeling up there. These skinny ones, oh man, they can produce some big, gorgeous mushrooms. And now, so you've seen how they are, and this one here, he has his buds out. He will not have morels. You can see him there. You can see him. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm getting a mental note of where I saw that little patch. And under that patch this year, guess what? I'll be picking morel mushrooms. So, and now it's fresh in my mind. In the next few weeks, I can just pop back, not do the whole loop, come in off the side, walk very little, and check to see if and when the morels come up. Yeah, lots of good trees in here. I remember hugging this big old red oak back in the day. He's gone now, man. But this is why they get the name red oak, I think. Look at that red wood. And he was rotted from the inside, so probably good that they cut him. He's a big boy. I miss him. These are ginormous white oaks that need a little tattooed granny loving. Gotta breathe in those special chemicals that I talked about in the last episode. Big trees are my favorite. Look at that dude and his buddy over there. So yeah, my immune system feels better already. Get those natural killer cells boosted up. Inhaling the happy, powerful tree chemicals. Oh, look at this beautiful forest, my gosh. So yeah, we're popping into April. April. What happens in April? Well, normally the ramps pop up around the 8th. So we're gonna see on the 1st, I'll be in my yard looking at my ramps, seeing if they're that week early that I'm telling everybody stuff is, or if that blizzard chilled the soil too much and put us right on time. So we'll see. And you know, Illinois is going crazy with the black morels now. About 2/3 of the way up, they're picking them. Nothing in the Americana species yet that I've seen, but by the time this video airs, who knows? You know, check that progression map on the Great Morel. Sorry I have to keep looking away, but I don't want to be falling. And I'm always looking for birds and whatnot. You know, today I just want to give a shout out. I've got some loyal subscribers, some fans that have been with me since the beginning. There's about 50 of y'all. I really appreciate you. You watch my content and ask questions, send in questions and videos. That's what keeps me making the videos. If nobody watched, I probably would drop off, but hopefully you're learning stuff and finding lots of shrooms, baby. Peace. Oh, looky-loo. Ramps are coming up in my yard. And today's date, we're not even at the end of March yet. We're definitely a week early. Oh, definitely. Yep. Oh, daffodils are just about to bloom. Oh yeah. Spring's coming. Stay fueled up after your hike, Shroomers. Try some Memphis-style barbecue for a new taste sensation. A thinner tomatoey sauce and mild and spicy. Succulent smoked meats and delicious sides. Can never get enough. Yeah, sorry about the birds in the background. They might yell, but this is a sausage. The snap is delicious. Smoked turkey. I love the spicy sauce. Oh my God. I got that triple meat platter. Look at this juicy brisket. Oh my gosh. Hear Jake ring the bell? He wants some. The ribs. Really good. I'm hooked. Can't wait to try the sides. Hi, what do you think of Pop's baked beans? Oh, good. How about some mac and cheese? Not supposed to have much. There you go. Thanks so very much for watching today. If you learned a little something, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow and helps everyone shroom better. Go out there and get some. They are popping. Get south. It's happening in the south and creeping on up. Spring is here, people. Yahoo!